Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand extended lookup, that is XLOOKUP function in Excel. The X in XLOOKUP signifies its ability to perform lookups in both horizontal and vertical directions, unlike the traditional VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. These functions we have already discussed in my previous videos, kindly refer it. So the syntax for XLOOKUP is in the round bracket lookup value, lookup array, return array, if not found, match mode, search mode. There are some advantages of using XLOOKUP in comparison to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Let's see one by one. Column indexing. VLOOKUP requires the user to specify the column number containing the value to be retrieved. In contrast, XLOOKUP allows searching and returning values both horizontally and vertically without needing to count columns or rows. It can look to the left or right of the search column or above and below the search row. Search flexibility. XLOOKUP supports searching in any direction to the left, right, up, or down to find a match and return a value. VLOOKUP only searches from left to right and HLOOKUP searches from top to bottom, limiting their flexibility. Handling the errors. XLOOKUP provides more options for handling errors, allowing users to specify what happens when no match is found. This reduces the need for additional functions like if error when dealing with errors in lookup operations. Return array. XLOOKUP can return entire arrays or range of values, while VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP only return single values. This feature is useful when working with multiple matches or larger sets of data. Searching from the end. XLOOKUP allows searching from the end of the search array towards the beginning, which can be handy when dealing with sorted data or when needing to retrieve the last matching value. Simplicity. XLOOKUP simplifies the process by requiring fewer arguments in comparison to VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, making it easier to use and understand. Now let's see this function in Excel. We'll use the same example which we had used in VLOOKUP. So in the first column, we are having the name of the students, their marks. Now we are using XLOOKUP function whose syntax is D1. That is, the search is to be carried out on the basis of whatever is written in D1. You can see here the syntax. Specify the columns, that is A1 to A9, where the name of the student will be there, and B1 to B9 is the marks. So it will give me the marks from here. So this is B1 to B9. Let me write the name of another student, Douglas. Enter. So it is giving me the marks. Now the interesting thing which is there is the syntax is much more simpler in comparison to VLOOKUP. Let's take the another example. This example we had discussed in HLOOKUP and how XLOOKUP makes the syntax easier. So here we are having the region and the percentage, which is given the percentage discount to be given to the customer. So here the lookup is to be carried out on the basis of region. The syntax is XLOOKUP, which value to look up, P2, where to look up in the range A1 to D11, A12 to D12, and the output is given of the A12 to D12. See, you will get 0.04. Let me write down here East, and it should give me 7%. Quite good. So this is how XLOOKUP function works in Excel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Excel. Please refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please share and like my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.